So today we're going to be taking a look at how you can remove an app from the home screen and also delete an app permanently from your phone. So if you're recently new to iPhone, you'll notice that you can do several different options. All you have to do is basically find the app you want to remove from the home screen or delete, and just go over and click hold. So as you can see now, we have several options. If we want to move the app around, all we have to do is click edit home screen, like so, swap them around. If you want to delete the app from the home screen, all we have to do is click the minus symbol. You can see here we get a variety of options. First being delete app, second remove from the home screen. Delete app means it'll permanently delete it from your phone. Not your iTunes account though, you can go back on there and reinstall it at a later date. So for example here, we'll just delete the app, like so. But let's say we want to add another app to our home screen. All we have to do is go to the end of our pages, so mine is the next page, so we just swipe over like so. And let's say I just want to add this Subway Surfers app onto my home screen. I click add, and there it is. To move like that, or I can just remove it completely. So we'll just take it off the home screen, remove app, remove from home screen. And we'll do the same here, remove app, and we can also just delete this app, like so. I'll just click cancel for the purpose of this video. That's how you remove apps from the home screen and delete apps permanently from your phone. Thanks for watching guys, please like and subscribe and I'll see you next time.